In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add Instagram camera to your control center on iPhone. This allows quick and easy access to the app, saving time by bypassing the need to unlock the phone and navigate through multiple screens. To do this, simply head to your control center. Long hold onto any free space. You will then select onto this option of Add a Control. Head to the search bar and type Instagram. Tap on it to get added to your control center. Now you can move and size the feature to your own preferences. Once done, if you tap onto the feature, it will directly access the Instagram camera right away. You can have access to going live instantly as it streamlines the process of opening the app directly to the camera. That's how easy it is to add Instagram camera to your control center. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.